Alright, I'm back with another Facebook find, and you guys gotta check this thing out. This beautiful off-road contraption is powered by a 5.9 Cummins turbo diesel. Sequential shifter, as you guys can see there. It's a 4-seater, and then wait till you guys see the box here. These 2 kegs are actually the fuel tanks. This thing needs 4 batteries to operate, 2 on each side of the cab here, and then obviously the double gull wing doors. With all that being said, I want it. I mean, just listen to this thing.